Alrighty, today we've got a furnace that just turned on and is going to be loud, I think. And what's this? 2018 Ford Expedition Peace River Edition. 3.5 turbo. It's from Peace River. Go Auto. Go something. Go Ford. Which is weird. I don't see a whole bunch of vehicles from Peace River down here anymore. I kind of went to school there. A long time ago now. I think I got out of there. Is it 2026 right now? Yeah, no, would have been almost 20 years ago. Which is interesting. Oh, that's greasy on the back. Great. Yuck. Now that glute's gonna be slimy. There we go. 21 and 14? No, that's a 13. Whoops. Trying to lead you astray. Can't really see what I'm doing there when my arm's in the way, huh? Not a whole bunch of Loctite on that 1 volt, but more than 0. What are we going to use? Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, I got out of Peace River. Oh, it's been a while. Go back to visit the parents once in a while. Not that often anymore. What with having kids and everything. Oh, should have got a brake service added onto that one too. And throw it at the floor. No, it's not terrible looking. Yeah, I think they move. Alright, so what are we gonna do now? I got 13 there, and looks like a 21's there. Yeah, 21's. That caliper's gonna be in the way now. Hold that up with your arm. Do it so you don't touch the body with the bracket. Don't want to cause any scratches. Grab a rubber striking device. Doesn't want to come off. It really doesn't want to come off. Oh, something they're not happy with. Okay, well, we're gonna tappy tap on that rotor face. Sound change to flip around. That's really loud. Yeah. That really. What?
Do you want to hug me now or hug me later?
Why?
You gotta answer the question first before I tell you.
You sold another engine, didn't you?
No.
Good job. You want somebody to touch your penis or
I
something?
do. I would really actually enjoy that.
Beat on it. Doesn't want to come off. Let's put a bolt on there and see if we can strip all the threads out of this rotor face. I suppose I could turn it so you might be able to see something. Maybe? Yeah. My wheel hub is here. That's a really good idea.
It's a weenie good idea.
Really.
Oh, you decided to use the actual puppet for it.
It's not proper. Because I'll just rip the threads out of there. Yeah, that's about it. Try impacting it so I can just rip them right out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, right?
Might want to take that part off.
No! Oh, leave it there. How dare you talk about my tip like that? I suppose I could lock
Keep
that,
it under pressure and then hit it with your head blow. That's kind of a good idea.
Guy thinks he's smart. God. You're my first apprentice. Oh! Alright. I'll have to give him that one. It kind of worked. That might have been the wrong thread, though. Yeah, that was definitely the wrong thread. It worked. Whatever. Oh yeah, Peace River. I'm gonna clean all this off so that it doesn't go out of, what is it, concentricity with the hub face. Big fancy words and shit. Where is the end of you? Way up there. Like way up there. Okay. We'll deal with that after. Or now. Or now. Now we'll deal with that after. It'll give it something to catch the frickin' hub with. Because we got a new one, right? Oh yeah, no, it's got a new sensor. It's got a new sensor. We can do this. It's not breaking it if you make it better, right? And you can't see what I'm doing. I'm doing that bolt right there. Breaking this wire is fine. Because we got a new one. I don't know why I got that song stuck in my head. Working 9 to 5, trying to make a living. I don't even particularly like that fucking song. But whatever. I don't need to take this off, but I'm doing it anyway. Maybe you can see that. And I could use some sort of power tools for this, but I wanted to be fairly quiet today. A little bit of power going on. Oh, that was great. Let's do that again. Okay, has anybody been in here before? Nope. Oh, they're gonna wreck my shoes. Take off that 8mm, switch to a 13, and go. And that axle in the other side is vibrating inside of its hub as well, which is not great. Because it's not supposed to do that. They probably got 4-wheel drive turned on or something. But it's not supposed to be quite that loud. I wonder if the vacuum is bleeding down or something. Yeah, that's free. What we got? We got. What are you? It's not that tight. What did we even grab? That's a 17. What about an 18? That feels like it fits. You can't see a damn thing that I'm doing. That's fine, neither can I. Uh-oh. Went too far. Uh-oh. Really went too far. Let me get the ratchet out there. There we go. And then somewhere around, oh yeah, right there. Yeah, you won't be able to see anything from there. A little bit better. You still can't see right here, but neither can I, like I said with the first one. But at least I can't get my ratchet stuck on that one. Maybe in my fingers though. No, there's enough space. Okay. Watch, this one's going to be completely seized in there, and we're going to have to use an air hammer and a big 3-pound hammer or 5-pound hammer or a freaking sledgehammer or the last resort kit or oh god, that one's in there. That one was in there. Or I'm gonna get this last bolt cracked loose and it's just gonna fall right out. Oh, it's not feeling like it. You could always hope. That's free, that's free, that's free, and that's free. Let's see. Is it gonna be nice to us or? Oh, that's so stuck in there. The one time you expect to fight it, and it falls right off. What am I gonna do now? What's up? Take this cable off.
Can reset the inspection yet?
On what? I think so. Okay, yeah, then it should. Just the end of this wire. I don't want to lower the whole car down, just unplug it, but I might have to. Oh yeah, that's way up there. Okay. We'll leave that for now. Let's just... yeah. Sure, we'll do it the terrible way. Because that's the time that other sense was not gonna freaking work. Yeah, she's locked in. Okay. Okay. We'll get that out of the way over there. We're gonna clean all this stuff up, but I gotta put a cloth in there first. Just to protect all the greased components from getting a bunch of aluminum shavings in them. Yeah, something like that. Oh. Yeah, something like that. See? And yeah, no, I still got a little bit left on there. Not a whole bunch left on that one. What?
No.
Hi.
No.
What's that?
Keep it.
Oh, yeah.
Keep it.
Yeah, that's for me. And it's the screw-in one, so I need to drain the coolant in this thing. You go high speed and like no pressure, and then you don't dig into the aluminum and really mess things up. And then somebody told me like 10 years ago that if you breathe in all this aluminum dust, you can get Alzheimer's, whatever, old-timers. I can't remember who said that. So maybe it started already. Who knows? That's clean enough. Alright, and then we go There. Nice and clean. Toss that in our bucket so we can use it again later. Okay. We're gonna put this on facing up. But remember to pull the plug out so that we don't have to hammer it on there and do it wrong. Alright, come on. Oh, there you go. Good. Yet again, you can't see anything. Oh well, it happens. I can see the end of my pointer finger. Oh, that song is still stuck in my head. I don't even like that song when it's stuck in my head. Whatever. You finally get that bulb out of there? You finally get that bulb out of there?
Yep.
Alright. How do you like it? How did you like it? Is it difficult or easier? No, leave the grill on. We're just wasting time removing the grill and shit. Suppose I should actually torque those. It can't do it. I suppose I'll have to figure out how you can actually do it, because it should.
Well, this one should do it.
Yeah.
That's why I've seen people on YouTube using this one.
Yeah, well, that new one should be able to. It's just where it's buried.
Under special function, there is oil. Oil.
Yeah. I don't know where, but it should be on there. We'll have to find it, but I don't got time right now. A service reset on an Audi. We'll put that on the bottom. Yeah, that looks like it should be on the bottom. You can't see again. This one. The cable should go on the bottom because it's got the flap on the... Oh yeah, that's the one. You see the flap on the bottom? There's an 8mm stepped bolt. You shouldn't be able to mix it up with the other ones because these ones are not stepped. And you don't go super tight on those. I'm gonna put that nut there just so it stays. We're gonna grab that brake shield that I threw on the floor back off the floor. And we're gonna put these three guys on there. And you can't see the bottom too. God, I'm spending more time moving that camera around than doing the freaking wheel bearing. Wheel hub assembly. Click. 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 And she's not moving. Good enough. There's a very specific torque for this. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. So, we're gonna do it like that. Then there's a hole there. Because I don't have a new cap. Nobody orders new caps. We go. And then the hole is sealed. See? Hole is sealed. Where I dented it from hammering the friggin' flathead. That might work. Probably not. No, not really. Anyways, route the cable. Route the cable up through those holes. And that guy there.
You're recording something?
What?
You recording?
Yeah?
Can you pick up audio?
What?
What?
Does it pick up audio?
Yeah.
I think so. What secrets do you have?
Oh.
Suppose we should have done that in the first place, but she's done now. She's done now. And make sure you zip ties off at a 45 just so it cuts the shit out of the next guy, right? And then we lay that up top just so it is in a nice handy spot for us to reach from up top. Turn this guy back. Okay, got her cleaned up. Looking somewhat decent. Grab a random axle nut. Random axle nut. Hold that on there real nice. Grab. It's not the worst looking. Impact device set on number 2. Somewhere around there. Put it back to 3 so we're not super distracted next time we go to use it. That's loose enough. Not gonna make a bunch of noise. Did I do a wheel bearing? And as long as it take other people to do a pair of headlights on a Chevy or GMC Savannah, that's pretty good. Click. Click. Take that off. Take that off. Take that off. Back that up. Straighten her out by grabbing the tie rod, not the backing plate. Oh, what is this one again? 212620. Comes in handy. It's the undercar M12 Lite. I use it quite a bit now. I use it quite a bit now. Boy. And God, that's heavy. It's not friendly anyway. What is this? 22. Alright, and other than the plug up there, it's all done. Thank you.